Welcome to the Prince William County, Virginia's ePortal system. In this video, we're going to show you how you can apply for a sub-permit off of the main building permit master. Before you can apply for a permit, you must first be logged into the ePortal system. You'll know you're logged in because your name will appear in the top right-hand corner. Once you've logged in, you must then search for the building permit that you want to apply the sub-permit for. There's a separate video that explains on how to search for permits. In the meantime, I've already looked up a permit that I want to apply for a sub-permit on. Once you've brought up your building permit, please verify that this is the correct permit. There are several places you can do so. You can click open the top section to look at the description of the permit. You can look at location to make sure it is the correct address. Once you've verified that this is the correct building permit, proceed to the Sub-Records tab, and you'll see the list of sub-records or sub-permits that you can apply for. In this case, I'm going to apply for a residential plumbing addition. Click on the Apply button. Once the address populates, confirm again that this is the correct address, and then go ahead and click Next. You'll notice that the permit type is already pre-populated for you, and it also copied down the description off your master. So there's no need to go in and edit this unless you want to add additional information. If the square footage is required, go ahead and put something there. And the valuation is always required, so make sure you've put something in that field as well. Click Next to continue. The system automatically copies down any contact information from the parent down to the sub-record. In this case, it copied down just an owner. It also inserts you as the contractor logged in as the contractor. You can add additional contacts if you so wish, and there's a separate video that explains how to do so. In this case, let's just click Continue. Click Next. These are the custom fields that explain that you populate that explain basically what you're doing on this job. The permit name automatically copies down from the master. You can leave that alone, but you do need to fill in the code year and the code book and any other custom fields that explains what it is that you're doing. Let's say we're going to do an ice maker, and let's add a laboratory and a hand sink. Once you've populated the fields of the work with the work you plan to do, scroll down to the bottom and click Next. The next tab across is for attachments. Now, we do not expect you to put any attachments or upload any attachments to this sub-permit. In fact, under normal circumstances, you would not. However, if you do load something here, please contact the Building Development Office because they don't expect anything here. They don't know to look for it. Click Next. This is the summary page of everything that you filled in. Please review it, scroll down, make sure everything is correct. You'll notice it does provide you with estimated fees. Please note these are just estimates and they are subject to change. If everything is correct, at the very bottom you can click on Submit. If you need to correct something, then click Back and fix what needs to be corrected. Assuming that you qualify for this permit, it will provide you with a permit number and your permit will be in draft format. The Building Development Office will process your permit within 24 to 48 hours and you'll be notified when it's ready to be paid. Once you've paid for the permit, you will then be able to print that permit. This concludes the video on how to apply for a permit off of a master.